A noun is one of the fundamental parts of speech in grammar, and it refers to a word that identifies a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Nouns function as the main elements in sentences, acting as subjects, objects, or complements. Let's break down the concept of a noun in a detailed way. Types of nouns. Proper nouns. These are names of specific people, places, or organizations. Examples: John, London, Google. They are always capitalized. Common nouns. These refer to general items or entities, not specific names. Examples: car, city, company. They are not capitalized unless they start a sentence. Concrete nouns. These are nouns that you can experience through the five senses: sight, smell, touch, taste, hearing. Examples: apple, dog, music. Abstract nouns. These refer to ideas, qualities, or concepts that cannot be touched or seen but exist as thoughts or emotions. Examples: love, freedom, justice. Countable nouns. These nouns can be counted and usually have both singular and plural forms. Examples: book/books, apples/apples. Uncountable, mass, nouns. These nouns cannot be counted and do not have a plural form. They represent things that are seen as whole masses. Examples: water, rice, information. Collective nouns. These refer to a group of people, animals, or things taken as one whole. Examples: team, herd, bunch. Possessive nouns. These show ownership or possession. Formed by adding an apostrophe and sometimes an s. Examples: John's car, the dog's leash. Functions of nouns in sentences. As a subject, the noun performs the action or is the main topic of the sentence. Example: the cat is sleeping. As an object, the noun receives the action of the verb. Example: she kicked the ball. As a complement, complements give more information about the subject or object. Example: he is a teacher. As an appositive, this is when a noun further explains or identifies another noun. Example: my brother, a doctor, lives in New York. Singular versus plural nouns. Singular nouns. These refer to one entity, e.g., dog, house. Plural nouns. These refer to more than one entity, usually formed by adding s or es, e.g., dogs, houses. Some plural nouns are irregular, e.g., children, feet. Compound nouns. These are nouns made up of two or more words functioning as a single noun. Examples: toothbrush, fire truck, mother-in-law. Gender of nouns. Nouns can have gender, especially in languages like French or Spanish, but even in English, some nouns indicate gender: masculine, king, actor; feminine, queen, actress; neutral/common, person, teacher. Case in nouns. Nominative case, when the noun is the subject of the sentence. Example: John runs fast. Objective case, when the noun is the object of the verb. Example: she saw John. Possessive case, when the noun shows ownership. Example: this is John's book. Noun modifiers. Nouns can be modified by adjectives: the red apple, articles, a dog, the dog. Other nouns: football field. Key points: countability. Some nouns can be counted, e.g., 3 apples, while others cannot, e.g., milk. Inflection. Nouns can change form to indicate plurality or possession. E.g., dogs, dogs. Examples of nouns in sentences: person, Sarah went to the store. Place, they visited Paris last year. Thing, I need a new laptop. Idea, happiness is important for a good life. Summary: a noun is a word that names something. It can be classified based on various criteria, such as whether it refers to something specific, proper versus common, whether it can be counted, countable versus uncountable, or whether it names a physical object or an abstract concept, concrete versus abstract. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, Subscribe and press the bell notification so that you never miss on new updates. Have a nice day.